Oscar. So this is right now, and it is literally heaven on earth. Well, at least for me, for someone who doesn't mind the cold. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And this is Narjoling Monastery. And that's my residence and a small temple that I founded in 1998. That is the small hill where I meditated for half an hour in 1998. I think I was around 14 at that time. That's our small greenhouse in the front where we grow our organic vegetables. And in the back we have some quarters, rooms for my mother, my sisters. And this is a public kitchen. This is Oscar. Oscar, yeah. Behind the Buddhist flag. And this is we'll be building the temple where everyone and anyone can gather. And we'll be able to meditate and I'll be able to teach spirituality based on Buddhism. And the temple will be on the upper level. The quarters will be on the lower level. If you can see, it's right down there, so it'll be one step lower. We have some plantations over there, and the sun is hiding behind the clouds. It is absolutely heaven right now. It's so beautiful. And right now, Amale has gone to take out the small puppies from the makeshift kennel. Yeah. This is Pasang. Good boy. Good boy. Trắng môi yung sali. Trắng môi yung sali. Good boy. Yong. Ika yong. 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 Kituk yong. Yong. Good boy. Good boy, Oscar, good boy. Young le. Kule. Good boy. Good boy. Young, dawaya. Young. So this is my mother, Amali. She's feeding them some cheese, dry cheese. And of course, at Narjoling, even the dogs are vegetarian. Yeah, the only thing we give them is some milk, some cheese, and yeah, some other food. Zo. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. 형 손하면 용사요. 영. Good boy. Oscar na sonam good boy. 영. Oscar 영 이렇게 야. 영. Good boy. Oscar.